If you schedule Facebook posts ahead of time, then it will help you stay on top of your content posting game. Save time and energy to post consistently. Boost your social media engagement. Focus on creatives while automating the entire procedure of posting. Connect and engage with a wider audience. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any point. Subscribing is free and it helps to support the channel. So go to your Facebook page. Click on Manage Posts. Click on Scheduled. Click on Create Post. Now add a photo or video you want to post. Now add a caption and click on Next. Click on Schedule for later. Now add the time and date you want to post. Now click on Post. And your post will automatically post it on that time. You can see your post by going to Manage Post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to subscribe our channel for daily tech tutorial. If you have any questions or facing any problem, feel free to comment.